Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. I now completed the wiring diagram of my magnetic door lock. So I soldered the plus and minus terminal going to the power supply on the outlet to make the solenoid safe from overcurrent. I connected in series with the positive terminal a 1.8 ohm resistance, 1 watt. It acts like just a what you call this fuse. I don't want to burn the coil of the electromagnet. The power supply of the electromagnet is 12 volts, and this is connected. It is plugged into the remote controller. This is the remote controller. This is the DC output. The output of this one is 12 volts. And the current, I measured the current, it's too small. The current for the electromagnet to give a force of 150 pounds is only around 0.167 amperes. So it's not a wastage, right? So this is the electromagnet, and this is the what they call this the metal plate that it will magnetize when you try to lock the door. Okay, so we'll now be performing the locking operation. So in here I got a remote control which will control the going out and going in to this room. So if I want to what they call this lock the door, okay, I will just push this one here. This remote control, okay, works what you call this together with this remote controller that is plugged in over here. So I don't need any other controller just to control my magnetic lock. So to show you for tonight that this works, what will I do is that I will energize the power supply going to the electromagnet. Okay, I will energize. Okay, it's energized. So current is going out already here, energizing the electromagnet. So when I close the door, okay, the door is locked. The door is locked. Okay, the door is locked. The only way that you could come in is by using again this remote control, or you shut this off. Okay, meaning the remote controller works with this one. This is the transmitter, the receiver is there. So when I shut it off, the remote controller will kill the current going to the electromagnet. So if it kills the current, of course the door is open. Okay, again I will repeat it for the last time before we go for tonight. This is just a rusting that we did. We do the soldering, okay, the making of the controller plus this one here, the installation of this one. Okay, I will repeat it for the last time. I would like to show that I could lock this door. To lock this door, I will activate the power supply of the electromagnet. Okay, it's activated. So power is going out, energizing this electromagnet. So just in case I am going out of the house, I will just close it like that, and it's closed. Okay, and the only way to open this one is by using the remote control. Okay, or you destroy the door. But there might be some what they call this alarm system which will call the police maybe. Okay, so don't ever try breaking in with this. As soon as you break this one, an alarm will come out. Okay? It's locked. Okay? I will try to show that I could open this one by using the remote control. I will shut off the power supply of the electromagnet. Okay? That's shut off already, so I could open it. Okay, good morning from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes explaining to you guys the installation of the magnetic door lock with a remote control. Good morning.